Some masks are nutrient-dense, clay-based masks that bring a surge of nutrients to the skin. After cleansing, apply a thin layer to clean face and neck with fingertips in circular motions. Leave the mask on for 7 minutes or as long as you desire. Remove with warm washcloth or warm water. Finish with a cold water rinse. Optionally, gently rub an ice cube on the facial skin for 30 to 45 seconds after mask removal. Try Absolute Anti-Aging for aging fragile skin. Try Deeply Clarifying for oily blemish-prone skin. And Ultimate Brightening for a surge of dewiness and glow.